Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 8. Chapter 1. Crop Production. Crop plants and types of crops. Crop plants are grown on a large scale in fields for human consumption, such as rice, wheat, fruits, and vegetables. Crops may provide grains, roots, stems, fibers, oils, or proteins. Cereals like rice and wheat are staple foods, rich in carbohydrates. Pulses and nuts supply proteins, while oilseeds like mustard and sunflower yield fats and oils. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In India, crops are seasonal: kharif, monsoon crops like rice, maize; rabi, winter crops like wheat, mustard; and summer, zaid, like cucumber, watermelon. Horticulture refers to cultivating plants for fruits, vegetables, and beauty. Required of good crop production. For good crop production, soil must be loosened by plowing to allow root penetration, ventilation, and proper growth, especially for root crops. Adequate water and nutrient-rich soil are essential, along with open fields for sunlight and air. Protection from cattle, trespassers, weeds, and pests is important since weeds compete for nutrients and pests damage crops. Removing weeds and controlling pests ensure better yield. Thus, soil preparation is the first and most vital step for healthy and high crop production. 1. Preparation of soil. A. Plowing. Plowing or tilling is the process of loosening, turning, and mixing soil before sowing seeds. It is done using a wooden or iron plow, drawn by bullocks in small fields or tractors in large fields. Plowed soil becomes soft, porous, and better suited for crops. Advantages of plowing. 1. Loosens and mixes soil evenly. 2. Ensures better root growth and aeration. 3. Facilitates mixing of manures and fertilizers. 4. Promotes earthworms and microbes for humus formation. 5. Uproots weeds and exposes harmful insects. B. Leveling. Leveling breaks large soil lumps into fine, porous soil using a plank or leveler, ensuring uniform surface and irrigation. Advantages of leveling. 1. Makes soil fine and even. 2. Prevents soil erosion by wind and water. 3. Ensures equal water distribution in fields. 2. Sowing. Sowing is the process of planting seeds in the field for germination and crop cultivation. Before sowing, healthy and good quality seeds must be selected and treated to prevent seed-borne diseases. After soil preparation through plowing, leveling, and manuring, different sowing methods are used. A. Broadcasting. Seeds are scattered by hand and later covered with a leveler. Common crops are wheat, maize, bajra, and mustard. Disadvantages: uneven depth, improper spacing, clustering, low productivity, and exposure to birds. B. Seed drill. A mechanized tube with a funnel sows seeds at proper depth and spacing while attached to a plow. Advantages: saves time and labor, ensures uniform distribution, prevents bird damage, yields healthier plants, and improves productivity. C. Transplantation. Seedlings grown in nurseries are transferred to fields, e.g., rice, brinjal, cauliflower, tomato. Advantages: selective use of healthy seedlings, proper spacing, stronger root growth, and higher crop yield. 3. Manuring and use of fertilizers. Adding manures improves soil fertility by replenishing lost nutrients through organic matter decomposition. Microbes decompose plant, animal, and waste materials, forming humus which enriches soil, holds water, and improves texture. A. Manures. Natural fertilizers made from organic wastes. 1. Farmyard manure. Decayed dung, leaves, farm refuse. 2. Green manure. Leguminous crops grown and plowed back. 3. Compost manure. Decomposed plant, animal, and kitchen waste. 4. Advantages: restores soil texture, enriches with humus and microbes. B. Fertilizers. Chemical compounds rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Types: nitrogenous, urea, phosphatic, superphosphate, potassic, potassium chloride. Advantages: easy to store, dissolve quickly, supply nutrients fast, and boost productivity. Mixed cropping, growing 2 or more crops together, e.g., cotton and groundnut, for mutual benefit. Some other methods of soil improvement: 1. Field fallow. 2. Crop rotation. 4. Irrigation. The process of watering crop plants at intervals is called irrigation. Water is essential as all plants need it in varying quantities. Soil water is lost by evaporation and percolation, hence periodic supply is needed. Gardens use buckets or pipes, while fields use canals, wells, or rainfall. Wheat needs water before tilling, flowering, and grain maturity. Paddy requires standing water. Sources: 1. Natural, reservoirs, ponds, lakes, rivers, wells. 2. Artificial, dams, tube wells, canals. Methods: lift, rahat, swinging basket, sprinkler, tube well, basin, furrow, drip. Advantages: assists germination, root growth, shoot development, photosynthesis, and nutrient absorption. Disadvantages: excess causes waterlogging, salinity, and crop damage except in paddy. 5. Weeding. Weeds are unwanted plants growing with crops that compete for water, sunlight, space, and nutrients, thus reducing crop productivity. Their removal is called weeding. Common weeds: 1. Cynodon, dube grass. 2. Wild oat. 3. Amaranthus, choulai. 4. Chenopodium, bathwa. Weed control: 1. Manual weeding, uprooting by hand during plowing or leveling. 2. Mechanical weeding, using implements like spade, trowel, kirpa, harrow, or hoe to remove weeds and loosen soil. 3. Chemical weeding, using weedicides such as 2,4-D, Butachlor, Simazine, etc., which destroy weeds without harming the crop. Grains must be cleaned before use. 6. Crop protection. Crops are often attacked by diseases and pests, reducing yield and quality. Diseases are caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi, insects, and worms. They may be seed-borne, treated chemically or with hot water, soil-borne, water-borne, or airborne. Example: wilt disease blocks xylem transport, causing plants to die. Plant pests like insects, rodents, birds, and locusts damage crops. Control of pests. 1. Pesticides. Kill pests, eggs, larvae, example, malathion. 2. Insecticides. Kill insects, example, BHC, DDT. 3. Rodenticides. Kill rodents, example, zinc phosphide. Biocides are pesticides of biological origin. Pesticides are sprayed using sprayers or aircraft, but must be applied carefully as they are harmful and may leave poisonous residues on crops. 7. Harvesting of crops. Food crops mature in 3 to 4 months, with paddy turning golden yellow on ripening. In India, crops are grown in 2 seasons, Kharif and Rabi. Cutting mature crops manually with sickles or using machines like harvesters is called harvesting. A combine is used for both harvesting and threshing. Harvest festivals. After harvesting, farmers celebrate joyfully with festivals like Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabana, and Bihu. 8. Threshing of crops. Threshing is the removal of grains from chaff, done manually, with animals, or by machines like threshers and combines. Stems are stored as fodder for cattle. 9. Winnowing. Winnowing separates grains from chaff using wind or sieves, sometimes with machines. 10. Storage of grains. After harvesting, winnowing, and cleaning, grains are stored in wooden, clay, mud, or metallic bins, while commercial storage uses grain silos. For markets, grains are packed in gunny bags. Storage is necessary to protect from pests, insects, and rats. Damage of stored food grains. 1. Biotic: rats, birds, insects, microbes damage crops. Rats eat nearly 25% of produce, while insects and worms bore grains into powder. 2. Abiotic: moisture, temperature, and containers spoil grains, causing fungal growth. Common storage pests: rice weevil, beetles, moths. Modes of storage: 1. Dry storage, for grains. 2. Cold storage, for fruits and vegetables. Green Revolution. Introduced in the 1960s, the Green Revolution was led by Dr. Norman Borlaug and Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. It involved HYV seeds, multiple cropping, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation, and scientific farming. Hybrid grains yielded higher production, making India self-sufficient in food grains and creating a golden era of agriculture. Advantages: self-sufficiency, buffer stock, better lifestyle for farmers, new seed varieties, employment. Disadvantages: ecological imbalance, soil dependence on fertilizers, pest-prone crops, less fodder, and altered soil chemistry. Food from animals. Animal husbandry provides milk, cow, buffalo, goat, camel, eggs, poultry, meat, goat, chicken, fish, and honey with wax, apiculture, requiring proper care.